Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? This is Avijit here, and welcome to DevSecOps. So let's start with today's interview question. So today's interview question is: Your organization is deploying application Kubernetes using Docker containers, and during a security interview, team discovers that some container images contain critical vulnerabilities. It's running as a root or expose unnecessary packages. So how would you secure containers throughout the software delivery lifecycle? And what is container security? So before I go into details, I will just show you a small demo so it's clear. So how we are going to find out the issues with the container? We are going to run a tree and it is going to detect all the issues in the container, security issues. So here I have some demo where I have some Docker file uh, and I have stored some secret keys, etc., which I'm going to copy in the Docker images. This is just to simulate that environment where I'm intentionally introducing some security issues. Okay, so it's a simple one from Ubuntu. I'm taking the Ubuntu base image, installing all these packages, some vulnerable packages, copying the secret keys, and then running the bash shell. Okay, so we'll be building the images. So it's already built. Actually, I have already created the images, so that's why it came out so fast. It's already there. There's version 2 already. It's already built. So that's why it was done so fast. Now I will be running the preview to do preview image minus scanners secret. And this is the image name. This is a image name. Okay. So this particular image I'm going to scan. So I have already done the scanning, but that's why it will be very fast. Okay. So you can see that I have already executed. Let's say secret scanning is enabled. There's this, and here it found a secret. So it pointed out that in the report summary it says that it's a text and there is one secret. Right? There is a critical one. So container security is the practice of protecting container images, registries, orchestrators, and running containers from security threats. So container security is protecting the container image, registry, etc. So why need it? Containers may contain vulnerable package, insecure configuration, exposed secrets, excessive privilege, like root privilege, which is not required, maybe exposed secrets, or some log4j or some OpenSSL, some vulnerable libraries that are there part of that package. So how it will work? You have the Docker file, you build the image, then you scan the image, and it will be part of your CI/CD flow. So it will be done automatically. CI/CD will build your Docker image. After that, it will run the tree. Tree will generate the report. If there is a vulnerability detected, it will notify. If it is not, then it will deploy the secure container. If it is a vulnerability detected, it will notify development team that there is some issue. Please go and fix it. Right? Let's open SSL vulnerabilities there, then the scanner will find that there is a critical OpenSSL vulnerability there. And some common vulnerabilities are what? Vulnerable packages like OpenSSL, etc., log4shell vulnerability. We know that this kind of vulnerability security gets unique number, unique ID, it is like CVE. We discussed in another interview question what is CVE. Running as root user, container runs with privilege that will also get deleted. Hard-coded secrets, we already saw API secret, password, AWS credentials, Git credentials, etc. Expose unnecessary port, like for example, port 22, or some ports which are not required, outdated base image, some old base image, which could be vulnerable. Then privileged containers, vulnerable application images. So these are the issues it will detect. So they are the common things. Vulnerable OS package, hardcode secret, root execution, excessive privilege, misconfigured containers. So they are the common things done by Qt. And common tools, TV Drive, Claire, Prisma Cloud, Echo Security, Falco. They are the common tools. One of the benefits? Benefit is prevent vulnerable containers from reaching production. So before it reaches production, after the Docker image is built, it scans and finds out the issue. Okay. This is like a TV scan detect critical vulnerabilities, Docker image, TV scan, 15 critical vulnerabilities found. Let's say outdated OpenISO package, update base image, etc. Then rebuild the container, rescan, and deploy it to Kubernetes. If rebuild container and if everything passes, then you deploy to uh, Kubernetes. We have the common vulnerability container tool. We have the secure base images, alpha index, etc. So that's it. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can keep watching.